Hello YouTube, this is Knife Sharpening Norway. It's been quite some time since I did the sharpening video now. So I just was to a Norwegian store called Biltema, which sells everything. Yeah, nearly everything. And bought, you just put it out of water, a cheap ass aluminium oxide stone. It's two-sided, it says coarse and fine, but both sides are pretty coarse. So I'm just gonna start on the fine side. And as you see, the stone is too little for my sink bridge. But I'm not gonna use any stones to back it up, since I don't want the debris clogging up my stones and ruining them. It soaks water, that's for sure. I just splashed it and it's soaking up water, so yeah, I'm just gonna use water. If it's no good, which I think it is, it's gonna go in the trash. Just a fun experiment. The cleaver I'm sharpening is the Patrik Carlvik custom cleaver he made me. It's pretty thin. You can see this. Great lightweight cleaver. So, to see that I don't cheat, this is my 400 nano operational. I'm gonna go to that if the aluminium stone doesn't cut into the stone about 3 times a charm. Yeah, it caught, but it yeah, it's a pretty resilient edge. 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. Wasn't very sharp to begin with, but hey, if it can barely slice paper, it isn't dull enough. Okay, aluminium stone then. I'm gonna actually start at the core side. Try again. You know what I'm failing when I can't get a knife dull. There. There it's dull. Yeah. Before I start, I would like everyone to comment a little about themselves, where they're from, so we can get to know each other. We are a family here on YouTube, so I would like to know my viewers. Also, I got a big news. I'm gonna review some products and test out some products for Worksharp, Derek's Workshop agencies. So they're making manual sharpeners, electric sharpeners, pretty great products. So I'm gonna test some products from them in the future. But hey, I'm gonna shut up now and sharpen. I'm gonna sharpen pretty low, around 5 degrees. Damn, this stone sucks. I won't even, I can try the fine side. I'm pretty picky about my stones. This ain't doing anything to the metal at all, nearly. Or yeah, I actually got a burr. Yeah, just for fun I'm gonna sharpen and check how the edge is. just for the fun of it. Why not? Sharpening at a lower angle, and I'm gonna go to my 400 and take it down again. Actually got my burr, so it's fast. Lightening the pressure now. And rinsing the stone. Just to get rid of any debris. Barely any pressure. Well, I mean, you could use this now to perfectly cut food with. Here, that was it. It's gone in the trash. Because I have so much better stones, and it cost like $3 to $3. 29 kroners I paid. So just drop it on my famous beer belly. And you're gonna listen to the knife scene. Actually isn't that bad, but hey, I got better stones. But hey, for a cheap stone it will work. But I'm gonna use my norway Toshi green brick of joy. I forgot to rinse off here. Then I'm gonna go, no, sorry, I'm gonna use my Nano Professional 400. And then the manual Toshi green brick of joy. Gonna make this pretty sharp, so yeah. There. That's pretty snug. Just making secure it's flat by flattening it. So I'm sorry I've been so long gone. That's the way it is when you got a kid. Prioritize in a different way. I used this a couple of times before. It wasn't completely dead flat. It doesn't take much with my Alpha 140. I wish I could get a Toma in 60 grit or something for flattening, because it's sometimes a little bit slow on some stones. It isn't a problem if you regularly flatten them, like I do, keep them in check. You do that, see, 3-4 times a day, no, 3-4 every 3-4 times you use the stone. If you flatten them, it will be no problem. Just checking that's in view. As I said, I'm gonna sharpen pretty damn low. And I can't use much pressure on this, it's so damn thin that if I press down, I will just bend it. I'm using a little more than the weight of the knife. Maybe 250 grams, 200, 250. grams. That's half a pound maybe or something like that. I don't know in American terms. I'm just gonna drag off the edge again. One. Just try to start with something fresh. I'm not gonna set the edge angle up at this angle. I'm actually gonna have the edge pretty stout at 15 degrees. But I like to get through the penny shoulders and make it as thin and fluid as possible. I can see here what I'm doing, but I'm lowering the angle. I've actually gotten a small burr, which means I can move over to this side. I have an Anima Professional 400, as you all know, I love. I can't understand why they can't make one in 220. I had the Sharpening glass 220, which I love. I would love this too. I love every professional stone in the Otoshi brick size. Damn, that would be sweet. The 220, then the 800, then the 3000. That would be all the stones I ever needed. I'm getting the rounded part here. Sharp 2, sometimes I use that for scoring precision work. You can use a cleaver to do so much. Notice how little water you need on the professional stones. It just keeps it on the surface. If I sharpen this symmetrical, lower on one side, steeper on the other before, it can seem like it. That's no biggie. You can just alter it again. That's the fine thing with sharpening. You can experiment to find what suits you perfect. I could easily have started on the 220 since it's been so long since I've sharpened now, or I've sharpened, but it's been 3 minutes here, 3 minutes there. I like to hone my skills a little by doing it proper. So, increasing the sharpening time and having some fun. Weird. That's the way it is. A tiny burr. I'm just gonna flip it and see how the bear. English is bad, I know. The burr flips. I wouldn't like to try to flip a bear. Yeah. I think the bear easily will win. burr is flipped. Now I'm lightening the pressure even more. Just gliding, surfing on the stone. Okay, I know the burr forming now, so I can increase the angle just a bit, up to say 15. Now the burr flips there. And now it flips here. Yep. That's 10-15 minutes work. Just quickly flattening it a little. That also helps to prevent cracks. If you got that problem with your stones. I had some cracking on my finer animal stones, but this isn't a huge problem if I do this often. Let's see, flattening now Toshi, the green brick of joy, as it's rightly called. It's a fun stone if you learn to use it. It's very finicky about pressure, it's very finicky about steels, it's very finicky how much water. It's like the girl in your dreams, the perfect woman. You know that's gonna take some effort to do right. This stone is like that. It takes a little passion to make it shine, but when you do, yeah, baby. Maybe a couple of drops here and a couple of drops there. It can clog on some steels it releases too much abrasive, but you can make it work on pretty much everything depending on pressure. You just polish it up a little now. On the sides. Or the sides, I mean behind the edge. I'm not gonna touch the edge very much. I'm gonna just do a little here and a little, because I want it to have a little bite, this carbon steel. So you see it's lightly clogging on this steel. If I increase the pressure a little, it isn't clogging, but it ain't releasing much abrasive either. See, I forgot to use it, but I can just refresh it a little like this. Weten it a little bit first. Yeah. Now moving to the edge and just kissing the stone. I'm barely just making contact there. Just making contact. The lightest pressure I can, but while still being steady. Being careful not to snowfly into the stone. That will happen if you have a little too much pressure. And that's about all I'm gonna do this stone. I'll take just a sponge, just open it a little, just getting rid of any stubborn burrs. Cleaning off the stone. Make sure there's nothing on it. And just one swoop each at around 20 degrees. Just for a little more strength. This is an insanely thin cleaver, so it needs to have a little something just to keep the edge fresh. You can easily use it thinner, but it's so thin that it's better to have a little something there. It still lasts long. But if you have a little accident with some dirt in your mushroom or something, it will last even longer. And there is the paper. It's pretty sharp. It's very, very sharp. I don't know, can you see my hair? Can you see that? Hair? I hope you can see it. I got blonde hair, but as you see, it easily shaves. Just dropping it a little on my t-shirt, and I'm done. Yeah, I haven't got much more than that. So, thanks for watching. Hope there will come some new videos soon. As always, from the shaved arm of Sharpness? Yeah, let's call it that. Thanks for watching. Knife Sharpening Norway. Bye.